Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate or copy board here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating or copying a board here in Monday.com is a straightforward process that could serve as an archive or backup of important projects or tasks, which I find it very useful for record keeping or for future reference. Now, here I want you to hover to the left side panel of your interface, go to the board you want to duplicate. In this case, I'm going to be using the Andy's Guides. All right. Now, beside that, you would see the ellipsis or the three dots on the upper right corner of the specific board. I want you to click on it. There's going to be a more option that says duplicate board. Click on that and basically choose the duplicate of Andy's Guides. All right. And of course, you want to choose what to duplicate. Is it going to be the board structure only? Or you would like to include the board structure and items? Or maybe you wanted to use the board structure, items, and updates. I'm going to select the third and keep the board subscribers if you have any. Click on the duplicate option, the blue button below. Just wait for the status progress. Okay? Because you will be prompted once it's successful right here. You see, this is going to be the duplicate of Andy's Guides board. And of course, you have the main table. You have the cards, form, and of course, you can delete some of the information that you wanted to, all right? Because your new board will now appear in your workspace with the same structure and content as the original one. And again, if you need any settings here, you might want to delete that, duplicate color, rename, and you have all of these at your disposal if you wanted to have a customized duplicate of Andy's Guides. But if you're just creating this as a backup, you might want to, do not delete or do not change it anymore. Now, for example, if you want to test changes or new features without affecting the original board and the duplicate ones, all I'm going to do is create a duplicate again, all right? So that you can experiment with different configurations or ideas. This is very useful for teams working on similar tasks or campaigns. Duplicating a board ensures consistency across different team members or departments by providing a standardized framework. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.